Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate sandwich. First, gather 2 slices of your preferred bread, ensuring they are fresh. Next, select a rich, creamy chocolate spread. You'll also need a clean, flat knife for spreading. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delicious treat every time. Now, take 1 slice of bread and lay it flat on a clean surface. Open your chocolate spread and use your knife to scoop out a generous amount. Carefully apply the spread to the bread, working from the center outwards. Ensure the chocolate covers the entire surface evenly, reaching close to the edges for maximum flavor in every bite. Once your first slice is perfectly coated, take the second slice of bread. Carefully place it directly on top of the chocolate-covered slice, aligning the edges. Gently press down on the top slice with your palm to secure the sandwich layers together. This prevents any shifting and ensures a neat, compact treat. You can now enjoy it whole or cut it in half. Your perfect chocolate sandwich is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to savor the rich, sweet flavor. For an extra delightful experience, pair it with a cold glass of milk. If you're feeling adventurous, a tiny sprinkle of sea salt can enhance the chocolate's depth. This simple, satisfying snack is perfect any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.